There's cactus right here. Hey, welcome back to Nature Show with John. Whoa, look at that! Did you know that the male zebra that lives in Africa weighs more than your mom? Wow, that's really bad.
Reach out as though you're gonna touch it. Okay.
That's pretty good. Hey kids, did you know that there are more than 80,000?
80,000 what?
It's not in the scripts.
Yes, it is. Just look.
No,
it's right below.
it's
It's
not.
right below the thing.
No, it's
yes,
not.
it says.
It's not in the script. That's taller than an elephant. Did you know that the licorice plant is one of the only edible plants that you can eat? That was not the licorice plant. The eucalyptus tree is like a dog. It sheds really easily. Did you know that this here hunk of metal, oh, that's wood. Well, this certainly isn't the ocean.